What is up, guys? This is Wrong Guy, and welcome back to some more of our, well, some more of the Pokemon Unite, where we go ahead and we do some dailies and, just get our daily dose of Unite in. Well, I guess 3 times. Yeah. So, if you're wondering why I record, alright, we're going to try it. We're going to try Talonflame in a regular match instead of, they need a defender. But if they need a defender, like, I'm really debating on going Crustle. Unless, okay, so someone is going to go. Alright. I would say, unless someone was going to go ahead and go, so I never really actually used that. So, let's use our ejection button just for those quick escapes. So now, second time ever playing Talonflame. So, bear with me on that one there, just because, well, I saw how disgusting it was last game, or the last time that we used it on that quick round, and it was disgusting. So we're gonna see. Oh, my champ. Don't really see many of those. Greninja has that range, dude. Like, it seems like he hits you from so far away. I don't know. It should be interesting to play a full game with Talonflame just to see how good or bad we do. As you know, I tend to upload everything, so wins, losses, what have you, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter to me personally because I just enjoy playing the game. So, I'm not aiming to be the very best or anything like that. I'm just aiming to play to have fun. So that's what I does. All right. So last time we did Talonflame on the quick, then we did Crustle on the ranked.
Ready?
I thought I'd turn that down, just because I know my mic tends to pick up the voice too. Oh, there's a lollipop here. Never even noticed that there was a lollipop here. I need you to die, please. Oh. Okay. So it looks like they got that Vulpix on the run. Bounce over here and see if I can sneak up on someone. Oh. Oh, shit. Okay, I guess I wasn't sneaking up on no one there. I thought maybe I could deal a little bit more damage, but, once we get things going, I know I don't do jungle. Like, I don't do the outer lane, or the outer monsters like that, ever. So the fact that, why did my controller die? Like, literally worst possible timing, man. Worst possible time for that to die. Alright, so we're starting to pick up a little bit of speed. Like, I hate how far that Greninja seems to be able to throw those things, man. Like, Greninja's distance is just ridiculous. Damn it, dude, I needed some kind of help there. Charmander with that grenade. I'm not. I'm not going to risk that one. That's right, you run away. Damn, jump too far ahead. Jump too far ahead. Oh, alright. Great, that Greninja is just getting beefier and beefier, dude. Why are you heading to the bottom path? No one's at the Dreadnought. We'll try Brave Bird now. So someone just tap the damn thing. Alright. I definitely need to get a float stone, I think, if I'm going to play any of these hit your face characters. That's what I'm thinking that I'm going to have to do. I'm definitely thinking that I'm going to have to try to soup up my float stone. Don't just sit there and let them... What? Who or what killed me? Damn. Oh, I got hit by his Unite move. Okay. I was wondering why I died so quick, because I thought I popped my Unite move, but I guess not. I guess not. I say, don't you run. Damn it. Damn it, yep. No, it went after the wrong target. I was trying to go after the Greninja and it locked onto the Ninetales. That would have been dope if I would have been able to get the Ninetales right there at the foot of its base, though. Whew. Alright, time. So while they're down there causing that kind of distraction, we'll go up here and cause this kind of distraction. Gotcha, Pikachu. Gotcha! Shit. I breadbirded it into a wall right before all my team could get there. Damn. So my KD is definitely not the best. Like, I'll never admit that my KD is ever good. Like, ever. But, I mean, I definitely deal enough damage for my teammates to swoop in for the rest of it. Which is good. I mean... Teamwork makes the dream work, right? Isn't that what they say? Somewhere, somehow? Something. Alright. Damn it, it targeted the wrong one again. I just keep double tapping and it goes the wrong one. I need to aim it. Alright, so Charizard's attacking Zapdos, and I saw some others going that way. So maybe I should also go and Help out Mr. Zarya, because there's a Greninja. Come on, get there quicker. What the hell did I just get killed by? I don't even know what I got hit by. Like, I just got by hit. I don't know. Like, all of my life just went away. Get him, Pikachu. Get him, Pikachu. You're the only one left, Pikachu. Shit, they just got Zapdos. Alright, so we went from a huge lead to no lead. Alright, so here they come. Oh, we're in the lead still somehow. But why would we quit?
What a goal! What a goal! What a goal! What
Oh, maybe that's why.
What a goal! What a goal! What a goal! What a goal!
Alright, yep, so there's where we lose now. Okay. You know what? That's fine. I'm okay with that. Because, I mean, you can't win them all, right? I don't know what the hell that lag was, but that lag was scary. Yep, no. Alright, so we definitely lost that one. They came back with the good Zapdos, and then they came back with the killing all of our lanes. So, I mean, that's fine. It is what it is.
Time's up.
Yep, damn. How did it say we were in the lead? At what point were we in the lead? Yeesh. No, that was a bad one. That was definitely a bad one. No, there's no ifs, ands, or buts about that one. That one was a bad one. All right, well, so on to the next video and on to, well, ranked, I guess. I don't know why the hell is gold there.